So what we have, Lumens has done is we have developed a new technology, what we call is a VoiceConnect, right sir? So what is basically a VoiceConnect is, like you all know, when we do the voice tracking, there is a limitation on the coverage part. That is just 8 meters, you can, 8 to 9 meters of a distance. Now many places, there has been genuine requirement that we want to do, more than 8 meters. Our room is bigger and we don't want any dependency on a microphone or any programming. So to overcome that limitation, Lumens has developed a VoiceConnect solution wherein in a single room, you can take up to 4 voice tracking cameras, sir. Okay, this will go to our kind of a AV bridge which will do the auto switching. So that means if I'm talking about 4 cameras, sir, if one camera can do 8 meters, we can go up to 32 meters of a distance, sir. No dependency on a microphone to do tracking, no third-party controller required, and the connectivity is very simple, sir. All the voice tracking cameras would come via LAN to this box. Now this box has LAN input and a USB Type-C and an HDMI output. So if you're doing a video conferencing, sir, simply plug out that USB and give it to your laptop. So all that tracking you can showcase on the far side, sir. HDMI is for your local output, sir, like that. Through this, so it will do auto switching automatically, no all 4 cameras on a single one.
Only 4 cameras can be connected or
4. Right now the audio limitation, that way is the maximum you can take is up to 4, sir.
Camera can be a serial connect?
Serial connect? Yes, it will. So I'll tell you, good question, sir, on this. So what Lumens has developed is, we have suppose there are 2 rows in a training room, right? So I install one camera 1 for the row 1, camera 2 for the row 2. Now what happens is, with our VoiceConnect, we have a feature wherein I can define the areas and also block the other area, which is very easy to do. Now why we need to block the area is because suppose this camera, I have defined this row, but at the same time there can be people who can ask from this side as well, move that side, right? So I can block for this area and I just simply give the command to my camera that just focus on this particular area, right? And same way, camera 2 focus on this area and block this area. Now another scenario for you is, you might say, Shubhra, the row is not limited to 8 meters, it is at 12 meters, right? Now next solution to it, sir. So no problem again. So 8 meter coverage from camera 1. Now I can install another camera in the same room and say now 4 meter is the distance left, right? So I can define the 4 meter further distance.